They have a nickname. They're the ghosts of the forest because they're very shy and reclusive. You hardly ever get to see them, except for reserves like this.
Yeah.
Alright folks, we're now going to be entering the Safi River, home to many water dwellers.
There's an elephant look right there.
Wow.
Hold on tight, it gets a little bumpy through here.
What a pool!
That's awesome.
Papi, let me go on that.
Okay, good job Simba 1. Let's keep going. So what do you get when you combine a horse, a pig, and a whale? That's correct, you get a hippo. And this is the first pool where we might see one. Look off to your right somewhere. If you see bubbles, that's usually where a hippo is.
Oh, there. Ayan, Pinan.
Oh, I saw it.
Oh, please make sure every expeditioner is in somebody's lap seated. On your left is a float of hippos.
Jersey, look!
Toma, mira. Mira, papi, mira cómo tienes. Allí,
Those birds above the rocks are called pink-backed pelicans.
Los salen de los árboles, papi, mira.
They only turn pink during mating season, though, so they're still gray and white.
Oh, man. Mira qué bonito.
Mom, esos son los que se comieron a la cosa.
Vultures.
So, folks, please make sure you remain seated during our expedition, of course. Oh, I'm going to cut myself off there. Look to your left. There's a hippo up on a rock.
Oh, man. Just take a picture, take a picture.
Oh, right there.
Oh, mira que papi, yo cuando te puedes sentar. Oh,
So
my
please remain seated
God.
throughout our expedition. But especially right now, make sure that you are seated. We're about to go over this bridge, and we're going to see more of those.
Oh, my God.
Crocodiles, Nile crocodiles. They grow up to 20 feet long. That's about as tall as a giraffe will grow.
Mira, mami, right there.
Sí, lo mismo.
You might notice a few of them have their mouths open right now. It's not the fact that they're hungry. That's how they release excess body heat. They might be hungry though. Let's get out of here.
Oh,
An alligator?
she said que las alligators no tienen hambre, les go to
Wow. Papa, I like this.
¿No? ¿Cuándo dice?
¿Qué pasa, Mom? Whoa. Wow. Mom, I'm going crazy.
We are going to be entering a completely different ecosystem now. There's all kinds of different plants and animals up ahead for us to see. And as we make this turn, if you'd like to direct your attention to the right now, this is what's called a baobab tree. We call it the upside down tree because you see it hardly ever has leaves, so it makes the branches look like their roots. It'll have leaves maybe 3 months out of the year. And that tree can live for up to thousands of years, so it's been here a very long time.
Miles de años.
This is the best view of the whole reserve. Looking out, we're looking at the Serengeti right now.
Man.
This is home to many different types of animal species, and we need to have a watchful eye. The animals that live here all actually play an extremely important role. They're the ones that created the natural ecosystem that we see. Look at how much light the trees are letting in. That's all thanks to the giraffes. They eat the leaves from underneath the trees, and that lets in more sunlight. Elephants eat the leaves too, but they have a different way of thinking. They just knock the trees over like toothpicks, like you see on the left.